Okay, in this video, I want to talk about the where clause. And the where clause is a SQL command, a SQL clause that allows us to search for specific information. So in the last video or a couple of videos ago, we searched for name, right? And we just pulled everything from name. Well, that's fine, but you probably likely you want to get more specific. You want all the names where the first letter is J or something. That's a bad example. Let's say age. Maybe you want all the ages where of the ages over 30 or the ages under 20, or you might want all the users where they live in New York. That's the where clause. So usually when you're searching, you're going to use the where clause, and there's some variations on it we'll look at in the next couple of videos, but the where clause is the main sort of workhorse search thing that you're going to use. So it's pretty simple. We can just create my cursor like always, and then dot execute as always. And let's just create our select statement. Here we go, select, and we still want everything, select everybody from users. And to use the where clause, we just type in where, and then some condition. So we might say where age is greater than 30, right? And these are conditional statements, greater than, less than, equal to, those sorts of things will work there. And an or will also work there. We'll talk about that in the next couple of videos. So pretty simple. Now we just need to put this into a result as we always do. So let's go my cursor dot fetch all, and then let's just print this out. So let's go, let's see, for row in result, let's just print row. So let's save this where age is greater than 30. Come back here and run our program. And we get John, Tim, and Steve, who is 40, 32, and 55 years old. And if we pull up our workbench here, we can just sort of eyeball this and see, John is 40, Tim is 32, Mary is 21, that's less than 30, so she's not in there. Tina is 29, that's less than 30, so she's not in there. Likewise, we could just kind of play around with this a little bit and go where age is less than 30. Save this and run it. We're going to get those other two, Mary and Tina, who are 21 and 29 years old. So pretty cool. If you know a specific thing, you can do where age equals, in this case, 55. Let's go. We pull this up and run it. Steve. And like always, we can do our little, our little trick here to put the 0th item if we want. Run this again. And just get Steve. So very cool. Pretty simple. Like I said, there are variations that you can do, and we're going to look at some of those in the next couple of videos. But, here is an integer. Integers are easy because they're greater than, less than, or equal to, right? You could do, greater than or equal to, greater than and equal to, greater than or equal to, like that, or less than or equal to, like that. But what about strings? Well, we can go where name equals, and then we need to put single quotes with whatever we're searching for. So let's go John, we know that's in there. Save that. And boom, we get John. Likewise, we can take away our little brackets here and run this again and get the whole record, John. Pretty cool, pretty simple. And I think that's all for the where statement. In the next video, I want to talk about like and some wildcard characters so that we can search things without knowing specifically what we're searching for using wildcards. So that'll be in the next video.